Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I got this look. For me, this is kind of like a little back to school look. I actually didn't do all of this when I was in high school because brows were like just barely starting to be a thing, so like towards the end of my years I did eyebrows. This is my face, and stay tuned to watch how I did this. So here I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 and just putting this on all of my blemish spots or anywhere that I want to cover up. And here I'm just blending it out with the Real Techniques sponge and setting it with the Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder that is also in the shade 25 using the e.l.f. blush brush. And I'm trying to do this for relatively cheap just because I know when I was a student I couldn't really afford much. And so here I'm mixing the two shades on the end. One's a little more of a bronzy shade and one's a little bit more of a contour shade, and I'm just putting that in the typical bronzing contouring spots. In total, everything I used for this look cost me roughly $100, but I did already own quite a lot of it, so that was nice. I do highly recommend everything in this video though, and as you can see I went a little too ham on the contour, and so I'm taking my Real Techniques sponge and dabbing over that to lessen the intensity. And here I'm taking the banana shade to kind of lighten it up a little more, and now I'm taking the darkest shade with the e.l.f. eyebrow brush, and honestly this is my favorite eyebrow brush ever, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows. Honestly, if you could only get two things from this video, I highly recommend the eyebrow brush and the NYX contour palette if you're sticking with drugstore items. And if you could do a third, I definitely suggest the lip that I show you, but I'm not going to ruin it for you, so you just gotta stay tuned till close to the end of the video to see what lip I do. And now I'm using the e.l.f. C brush, and no, not the C brush, the blending brush, and mixing two of the lighter browns in the palette and just putting that all over, and then taking the same brush and just taking the darker shades, doing the same thing, just blending away. Do this to the other eye as well. And now I'm using the champagne-ish shimmery color and just putting that on the lids of my eyes. And now I'm taking the e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara and just applying this to my top and bottom lashes. I forgot to film my bottom lashes. Oops. But I wouldn't say this is my favorite mascara, but it gets the job done. I forgot to put some concealer underneath my eyes, so I'm just doing that now. And personally, I don't like to set underneath my eyes just because like they crease anyways. That way I can pat them out during the day. So, and now I'm taking the e.l.f. highlighting brush and mixing the white and the champagne shade and just applying that to all of my highlight spots on my face, and that's about it. Oh, now I'm applying white to the mixture to the inner parts of my eye and my brow bone. And now for the lip. This is the NYX Liquid Suede lip in Sandstorm, and personally I think this and Kat Von D's Bow and Arrow are my perfect nude. They're pretty well a good dupe for each other, just a different dry down texture. I just thought this, I honestly highly recommend this palette because as you can see, you can do your entire face with just this palette. And so honestly, 30 bucks for this is worth it in my books. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next one. Hopefully it won't be nearly as long as of a wait as this was, but we'll see. It'll come eventually. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, feel free to like it down below and comment anything, video suggestions, criticism, what you liked about this video, literally anything. And if you'd like to subscribe, that would be amazing and it would mean the world to me. So thanks guys.